Come test drive the 2023 Honda HR-V. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, moonroof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.